Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, January the 8th, 2024. I'm Giovanni Benacour, analyst, trader, and educator with Vantage Markets. So it's another week, another week for trading. So time-wise, we should be near a short-term low, and it's possible Friday low was it, probably. Now, however, I don't think the stock indices are in the same dip and rip mode they began at last October's lows. I have been expecting to see a more rotational market with volatility both up and down, and it looks like that has begun. I will be surprised if all four indices rip back up from here to new highs in a straight line. That would never happen, but it's more likely to have a rally beginning from somewhere in this vicinity and then have another decline that makes lower lows. Now, internal support this idea. The 10 and the 5-day moving average of the New York Stock Exchange have been drifting lower, but they are not downwise extremes. Breadth has not come close to anything to capitulation like, and the VIX has remained rather tame. So that being said, what kind of fluctuation should we see for today? So looking at that, if we did create that low on Friday, our best bet is obviously to see if we revisit that high of Friday, and then we are close to my resistance, which is 16,630 for the NASDAQ. For the S&P, it'll be 4760, that the high of Friday. So we could probably revisit that high as the open week begins. But for the Dow, it's a bit different. And the Dow is a bit different because of Boeing. Boeing, obviously, after that unfortunate event with Alaskan Airlines, where one of the windows in the whole section just blew away. No one was hurt, but yet Boeing is the one that to blame for the Dow being pulled lower. Now, have we found that low for the Dow? Well, we haven't opened, so we'll see if that's the case. But if it continues, if it is pre-market, that most likely will continue to happen to just spill over at the open for the U.S. section. Then crude oil, I'm definitely just most likely crude oil is gonna hit $70 and perhaps bounce from here. So keep that in mind. Nat Gas also is just a tear, just trending lower. 275 is our target for Nat Gas. Then we have gold. So gold, I've been using 2020 as my support last week. We have met that support already. So I'm using now 2000, which is a psychological round number. So let's use that as a target for today. Perhaps it won't reach that low, but we will see, obviously. Then silver, 2260 could be that target for us. Copper 374 could be that low for us. Then we have Bitcoin that is looking to stay north of 45,000 or around 45,000. Then we have the currencies that right now are trading a bit higher, even though throughout the whole session it did made a low, but not that much of a low. So we are practically right in smack in the middle of Friday's trading session. So this could be low volume, also people trading. But let's see if it'll sustain itself around here like a pivot, just trading up and down here, just sideways movement, not too much excitement going on. The pound also is doing about the same thing. So, and that could break out when we see that the dollar index does something of the extent, let's see, to just go ahead and break 102 and trade towards 115. Then we'll see that pop in the currencies and metals. But if it does, just as I know, I'm going to go revisit Friday's high, then we'll see that pull down, gold heading towards 2000, perhaps not 2000, but it'll be heading towards 2000. Silver towards 2260, copper towards 374. The euro below 109, pound below around 126. So let's see if those are the scenarios for today. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you tomorrow.